correction, stand by. Boeing 496, pushback approved. Dubai ground, Oman Air 9 Juliet, ready to taxi to runway 30 right with information Alpha. Pushback approved, Boeing 496. Oman Air 9 Juliet, taxi to runway 30 right, hold short of 12 right 30 left. Taxiing to runway 30 right, will hold short of 12 right 30 left, Oman Air 9 Juliet. Dubai ground, Oman Air 601, request taxi. Taxi to parking, Oman Air 7865. Emirates 69, taxi to runway 30 right, hold short of 12 right 30 left. Taxiing to runway 30 right, will hold short of 12 right 30 left, Emirates 69. Emirates 12, pushback approved, tail to the north. Pushback approved, tail to the north, Emirates 12.
Hold in position, Emirates 29 Super. Dubai ground, Emirates 29 Super, ready for pushback with information Alpha.
Emirates 29 Super, pushback approved, tail to the west.
Pushback approved, tail to the west, Emirates 29 Super.
Emirates 191 Heavy, contact Dubai Tower on 118.75.
Contacting Dubai Tower on 118.75, Emirates 191 Heavy. Dubai ground, Swiss 1501, ready to taxi to runway 30 right with information Alpha.
Pushback approved, tail to the north, Oman Air 405. Emirates 2064 Heavy, pushback approved, tail to the north. Pushback approved, tail to the north, Emirates 2064 Heavy. DHL 574, contact Dubai Tower on 118.75. Contacting Dubai Tower on 118.75, DHL 574. November 728 Sierra Papa, request permission to cross runway 30 left. November 728 Sierra Papa, contact Dubai Tower on 118.75. Contacting Dubai Tower on 118.75, November 728 Sierra Papa. Dubai ground, Air France 001 Super, request taxi to gate A07 at the concourse A. Dubai ground, United 7865, ready for pushback with information Alpha. United 7865, pushback approved, tail to the north. Pushback approved, tail to the north, United 7865. Air France 001 Super, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Taxi to parking, Air France 001 Super. Dubai ground, Emirates 12, ready to taxi with information Alpha. Emirates 12, taxi to runway 30 right, hold short of 12 right 30 left. Taxiing to runway 30 right, will hold short of 12 right 30 left, Emirates 12.
Emirates 69, request permission to cross runway 30 left.
Dubai ground, Emirates 29 Super, ready to taxi with information Alpha.
Dubai ground, Oman Air 405, ready to taxi. Emirates 69, contact Dubai Tower on 118.75.
Contacting Dubai Tower on 118.75, Emirates.
Dubai ground, Oman Air 610, ready for pushback. Wilco, Oman Air 405. Emirates 29 Super, taxi to runway 30 right, hold short of 12 right 30 left. Oman Air 610, pushback approved, tail to the north. Dubai ground, Cafe 635, pushback approved, tail to the north, Oman Air 610. Cafe 635, pushback approved, tail to the north. Pushback approved, tail to the north, Cafe 635. Dubai ground, United 7865, ready to taxi with information Alpha.
Taxiing to runway 30 right, will hold short of 12 right 30 left, Emirates 29 Super.
Dubai ground, November 244, ready for pushback.
Dubai ground, Emirates 2064 Heavy, ready to taxi with information Alpha. United 7865, taxi to runway 30 right, contact tower when ready. Taxi to runway 30 right, United 7865. Emirates 2064 Heavy, taxi to runway 30 right, hold short of 12 right 30 left.
Dubai ground, Global 252 Super, ready for pushback.
November 244, hold position. Taxiing to runway 30 right, will hold short of 12 right 30 left, Emirates 2064 Heavy.
Dubai ground, Global 252 Super, ready for pushback. Swiss 1501, request permission to cross runway 30 left.
November 244, pushback approved, tail to the south.
Pushback approved, tail to the south, November 244.
Global 252 Super, pushback approved, tail to the east.
Dubai ground, Oman Air 283 Mike Hotel, ready for pushback with information Alpha.
Swiss 1501, contact Dubai Tower on 118.75.
Contacting Dubai Tower on 118.75, Swiss 1501.
United 7865, request permission to cross runway 30 left. Oman Air 283 Mike Hotel, pushback approved, tail to the north.
Pushback approved, tail to the north, Oman Air 283 Mike Hotel.
United 7865, contact Dubai Tower on 118.75.
Pushback approved, tail to the east, Global 252 Super.
Contacting Dubai Tower on 118.75, United 7865. Dubai ground, EVA 32 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Alpha. EVA 32 Heavy. Emirates 2064 Heavy, contact Dubai Tower on 118.75. Oman Air 405, request permission to cross runway 30 left. Contacting Dubai Tower on 118.75, Emirates 2064 Heavy. Dubai ground, Emirates 124, ready for pushback with information Alpha. Oman Air 405, contact Dubai Tower on 118.75. Emirates 124, pushback approved, tail to the west. Contacting Dubai Tower on 118.75, Oman Air 405. Dubai ground, Oman Air 610, ready to taxi. Global 252 Super, taxi to runway 30 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 30 right, Global 252 Super.
Oman Air 610, taxi to runway 30 right, hold short of 12 right 30 left. Taxiing to runway 30 right, will hold short of 12 right 30 left, Oman Air 610.
Dubai ground, Oman Air 283 Mike Hotel, ready to taxi with information Alpha.
Global 252 Super, contact Dubai Tower on 118.75.
Contacting Dubai Tower on 118.75, Global 252 Super.
Dubai ground, Kuwaiti 773 Kilo Whiskey, ready for pushback with information Alpha. Emirates 124, contact Dubai Tower on 118.75. Pushback approved, tail to the north, Emirates 292 Heavy. Contacting Dubai Tower on 118.75, Emirates 124. Oman Air 610, request frequency change. Oman Air 610, contact Dubai Tower on 118.75. Contacting Dubai Tower on 118.75, Oman Air 610. November 728 Sierra Papa, hold short of runway 30 right. Holding short runway 30 right, November 728. Cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Oman Air 405. Emirates 69, Oman Air 610, request permission to cross runway 30 left.
Line up and wait runway 30 right, Emirates 69.
Oman Air 610, cross runway 30 left. Crossing runway 30 left, Oman Air 610.
Emirates 29 Super, request permission to cross runway 30 left.
Emirates 69, wind 280 at 11, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Emirates 69.
Emirates 29 Super, hold short of runway 30 right.
Holding short runway 30 right, Emirates 29 Super.
Emirates 29 Super, hold short of runway 30 left.
Holding short runway 30 left, Emirates 29 Super.
Dubai Tower, Emirates 124, ready for departure in sequence at runway 30 right, departing east. Global 252 Super, line up and wait runway 30 right. Emirates 124, hold short of runway 30 right.
Line up and wait runway 30 right, Global 252 Super.
Holding short runway 30 right, Emirates 124.
Swiss
Dubai Tower, Oman Air 610, ready for departure in sequence at runway 30 right, departing east. Oman Air 610, hold short of runway 30 right. Holding short runway 30 right, Oman Air 610. Swiss 1501, frequency change approved.
Cleared for takeoff. Run.
Oman Air 610, line up and wait runway 30 right.
Emirates 29 Super.
Line up and wait runway 30 right, Oman Air 610. Emirates 29 Super, cross runway 30 left.
Crossing runway 30 left, Emirates 29 Super. Frequency change approved Global 252 Super, good day.
Dubai International Traffic, Emirates 292 Heavy is taking off runway 30 left, departing. Oman Air 610, wind 280 at 11, runway 3, cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Oman Air 610. Cathay 635, request permission to cross runway 30 left. Emirates 29 Super, line up and wait runway 30 right.
Line up and wait runway 30 right, Emirates 29 Super.
Cathay 635, cross runway 30 left. Crossing runway 30 left, Cathay 635. Emirates 29 Super, wind 280 at 11, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Emirates 29 Super.
Emirates 124, line up and wait runway 30 right. Line up and wait runway 30 right, Emirates 124. Dubai Tower, Emirates 292 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 30 left, departing east. Emirates 292 Heavy, hold short of runway 30 right. Emirates 292 Heavy, request permission to cross runway 30 left. Emirates 292 Heavy, cross runway 30 left. Emirates 022 Super, request permission to cross runway 30 left. Emirates 292 Heavy, I'm sorry. Crossing runway 30 left, Emirates 292 Heavy. Emirates 022 Super, cross runway 30 left. United 163, request permission to cross runway 30 left. Crossing runway 30 left, Emirates 022 Super. Emirates 124, wind 280 at 11, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Emirates 124. United 163, cross runway 30 left. Dubai Tower, EVA 32 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 30 right, departing west. Crossing runway 30 left, United 163. EVA 32 Heavy, line up and wave runway 30 right. Dubai Tower, Emirates 292 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 30 right, departing east. Line up and wave runway 30 right, EVA 32 Heavy. Emirates 292 Heavy, hold short of runway 30 right. Holding short runway 30 right, Emirates 292 Heavy. Emirates 124, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved Emirates 124, good day. Dubai Tower, Emirates 022 Super, ready for departure at runway 30 right, departing south. EVA 32 Heavy, wind 280 at 11, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff. Emirates 022 Super, line up and wave runway 30 right. Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, EVA 32 Heavy. Line up and wave runway 30 right, Emirates 022 Super. Emirates 159 Super, request permission to cross runway 30 left. Emirates 159 Super, cross runway 30 left. Crossing runway 30 left, Emirates 159 Super. Emirates 022 Super, wind 280 at 11, runway 30 right, cleared for takeoff. Dubai Tower, Emirates 159 Super, ready for departure in sequence at runway 30 right, departing south. Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Emirates 022 Super. Emirates, Oman Air 610, request frequency change. Oman Air 610, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved Oman Air 610, good day.
Turn right heading 090, descend and maintain 7000, Gulf Air 564.
Turn right heading 360, descend and maintain 4000, Singapore 6969.
Oman Air 610 is 20 nautical miles northwest of Al Musana at 20,400 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 left at Muscat International. Oman Air 603 Yankee, turn left heading 100, descend and maintain 3000. Oman Air 610, contact radar on 119.8.
Turn right heading.
Contacting radar on 119.8, Oman Air 610.
Oman Air 222, turn left heading 260. Turn left heading 260.
Oman Air 610 is 16 nautical miles northwest of Al Musana at 19,900 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 left at Muscat International.
Oman Air 610, continue as filed. Expect the ILS approach runway 8 left of Muscat International.
Roger, Oman Air 610.
Contacting Muscat approach on 121.2, Oman Air 610. Oman Air 222, contact Muscat approach on 121.2.
Contacting Muscat approach on 121.2, Oman Air 222.
Emirates 30 Victor, do not exceed 220 knots.
Do not exceed 220 knots, Emirates 30 Victor.
Emirates 30 Victor, contact Muscat approach on 121.2. Oman Air 405, turn right heading 170.
5 November Foxtrot India Kilo, requesting radar vectors to Muscat International. Turn right heading 170, Oman Air 405. Contacting Muscat approach on 121.2, Emirates 30 Victor.
5 November Foxtrot India Kilo, turn right heading 280, descend and maintain 7000.
Turn right heading 280, descend and maintain 7000, 5 November Foxtrot India Kilo.
Contact Muscat approach on 121.2.
Contacting Muscat approach on 121.2, November 244.
Emirates 124 is 18 nautical miles northwest of Al Musana at 11,500 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 left at Muscat International.
Emirates 124, continue as filed. Expect the ILS approach runway 8 left of Muscat International.
Roger, Emirates 124.
Radar, descend and maintain 5000. Radar, contact Muscat approach on 121.2. Contact Muscat approach on 121.2. Bolt 496, contact Muscat approach on 121.2.
Contacting Muscat approach on 121.2, 5 November Foxtrot India Kilo. Contacting Muscat approach on 121.2, Bolt 496.
November 35.
Private winds.
Oman Air 610, contact Muscat approach on 121.2.
Contacting Muscat approach on 121.2, Oman Air 610. 5 November Foxtrot India Kilo, turn right head. Oman Air 610 is 8. Oman Air 610, climb and maintain 10,000.
Oman Air 610, request.
Climb and maintain 10,000, Oman Air 610.
Maintain 160 knots until 4 miles final, Oscar Kilo Alpha Lima Echo Super.
Gulf Air 564, turn right heading 080.
Turn right heading 080, Gulf Air 564.
Emirates 30 Victor, turn left heading 120. Oman Air 405, climb and maintain 5,000. Turn left heading 120. Oman Air 610, contact radar on 119.8. Turn left heading 110, contacting radar on 119.8, Oman Air 610. Emirates 159 Super is 13 nautical miles east of Al Musana at 7,700 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 left at Muscat International.
Qatari 1.
Radar, Oman Air 610, with you at 5,900.
Oman Air 610, radar contact. Oman Air 610, turn left heading 030, descend and maintain 5,000.
Turn left heading 030, descend and maintain 5,000, Oman Air 610.
iFly 1, continue as filed, expect a visual approach runway 8 right of Muscat International.
Roger, iFly 1.
EVA 32 heavy, contact Muscat approach on 121.2. Emirates 69, contact Muscat approach on 121.2.
Contacting Muscat approach on 121.2, EVA 32 heavy. Contacting Muscat approach on 121.2, Emirates 69. Radar, Emirates 159 Super, with US 7400.
Emirates 124, contact Muscat approach on 121.2.
Emirates 159 Super, 20 nautical miles east of Al-Musan at 7,600 feet. Requesting LLS approach runway 8 left at Muscat International.
Contacting Muscat approach on 121.2, Emirates 124.
Emirates 862 is 9 nautical miles northwest of Al-Musan at 14,000 feet. Requesting LLS approach runway 8 left at Muscat International.
Emirates 159 Super, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 8 left of Muscat International. Emirates 159 Super, turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 7,000.
Turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 7,000, Emirates 159 Super.
Emirates 86, Oman Air 610, turn left heading 260.
Turn left heading 260, Oman Air 610.
Oman Air 610, contact Muscat approach on 121.2.
Contacting Muscat approach on 121.2, Oman Air, Muscat approach, Oman Air 610, with you at 5,000. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Oman Air 405. Number Foxtrot India Kilo. Muscat approach, Oman Air 610, turn right heading 260, maintain.
Runway 8 left,
Oman Air 610, turn left heading 160, descend. Turn left heading 160, descend and maintain 4,000, Oman Air 610. Oman Air 610, descend and maintain 3,000.
Foxtrot, with
Oman Air 610, turn left heading 100, descend and maintain 3,000, maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 8 left approach. Turn left heading 100, descend and maintain 3,000, maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 8 left, Oman Air 610. Oman Air 610, reduce speed to 190 knots.
reduce speed to 190 knots.
Breaker 1. Emirates 69, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final.
maintain 170 knots.
Oman Air 610, increase speed to 210 knots. Increase speed to 210 knots, Oman Air 610. 5 November Alpha Echo Tango. Oman Air 610, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. November, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Oman Air 610. Qatari 1124 heavy, turn left heading 110, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 8 left approach. Speedbird 70 heavy, turn right heading 120.
Turn left heading 160, descend and maintain 3000, November 351 Foxtrot.
November 878 Alpha India is 5 nautical miles northwest of Al Musana at 11,900 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Al Musana. Turn right heading 1. Oman Air 610, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final. Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final, Oman Air 610. Speedbird 70 heavy, reduce speed to 210 knots.
Reduce speed to 210 knots, November 351 Foxtrot.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Qatari 1124 heavy. November 878 Alpha India, contact radar on 119.8. Reduce speed to 210 knots, Speedbird 70 heavy. Emirates 159 Super, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Emirates 159 Super. November 351 Foxtrot, reduce speed to 210 knots.
Reduce speed to 210 knots, November 351 Foxtrot.
5 November Alpha Echo Tango, turn left heading 010, descend and maintain 6000. Speedbird 70 heavy, turn left heading 320, descend and maintain 4000. Turn left heading 320, descend and maintain 4000, Speedbird 70 heavy. Private wings 1406, descend and maintain 4000. Turn left heading 010, descend and maintain 6000, 5 November Alpha Echo Tango.
Descend and maintain 4000, private wings 1406.
Speedbird 70 heavy, reduce speed to 210 knots. Reduce speed to Oman Air 610, maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final, Oman Air 610. Qatari 1124 heavy, maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final.
Global 252 Super is 17 nautical miles northwest of Muscat International at 6,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 8 left of Muscat International.
Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final, Qatari 1124 heavy. Muscat approach, Qatari 5219 heavy, with you at 24,100. Oman Air 610, contact Oman Air 610, contact Muscat Tower. Contacting Muscat Tower on 118.4, Oman Air 610. Muscat Tower, speed. Muscat Tower, Oman Air 610, inbound on the ILS runway 8 left. Muscat Tower, Qatari 1124 heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 8 left.
1000. Oman Air 610, wind 060.
Number 1, clear to land, runway 8 left, Oman Air 610.
Qatari 1124 heavy, wind 060 at Niner. Number 2, runway 8 left, cleared to land. Speedbird 4891 heavy, line up and wait runway 8 right.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 8 left, Qatari 1124 heavy.
Emirates 69, when able turn right and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final.
Line up and wait runway 8 right, Speedbird 4891 heavy. Wilco, Emirates 69.
500. 400. 300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speedbird 4891 heavy, wind 0609er, runway 8. Oman Air 610, when able turn right, contact ground on the taxiway. Qatari 16 Victor Alpha heavy, line up and wait runway 8 right.
Line up and wait runway 8 right, Qatari 16 Victor Alpha Heavy.
Private wind 0589, wind 0609er, number 1, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Muscat Tower, Qatari 1123 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 8 right, remaining in the pattern.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 8 right, private wind 0589.
Boeing 496, taxi to Royal Air Force Oman Apron C4.
Muscat Ground, Oman Air 610, request taxi to gate 308 at the North Civil Apron.
Muscat Ground, Air China 926, ready for pushback.
Muscat Ground, Emirates 388 Heavy, request taxi to gate 102 at the terminal.
Tower when ready.
Muscat Ground, private wind 0589, request taxi to 415 at the
Emirates 388 heavy, taxi to terminal gate 102 via Whiskey.